Please give a warm welcome to the Chief Strategy Officer of Doosan Corporation, Do-won Kim.
Welcome. Thank you for coming today for Doosan Press Conference here at CES 2024. My name is Do-won Kim. I'm Chief Strategy Officer of Doosan Group. Today, it's our privilege to introduce to you our vision and the innovative technologies that will bring the vision to reality. As you join us for our coming hour, I think it's best to start by giving you some context and answer the obvious question. Who is Doosan? Well, if you're a golf fan, you may have seen our sponsorship presence in one of the 4 major championships, the Open. And if you pass by almost any construction site in your neighborhood, the chances are you probably recognize our acclaimed brand, Bobcat. Our family of loaders, excavators, compact tractors has been an American institution for more than 65 years, and the best days are still ahead. So, while you may be familiar with our company, there are a whole lot more to tell you about Doosan Group itself. First, we're the longest established company in Korea, starting as a consumer goods company founded in 1896. That's 128 years ago. And so much has happened since those early beginnings. What makes us special today? Let me tell you. Today, Doosan is a global manufacturer of the core equipment used in nuclear power plants. We supply 34 nuclear reactors, 124 steam generators around the world. In fact, we're the only company in the world that can produce nuclear power core equipment from raw material to final products. Today, Doosan is one of 5 companies in the world that developed large-scale gas turbine used in power generation. And we are developing world's first hydrogen turbine in 400 megawatt capacity, leading the transition from fossil fuels to clean, green, sustainable energy. Today, building on the same fuel cell technology used in the US Apollo space program, we've become the world's largest supplier of hydrogen fuel cells in power generation. We also developed highly efficient electrolyzer to produce green hydrogen. And we built Korea's first hydrogen liquefaction plant. Complementing our hydrogen technology, Doosan is a globally integrated hydrogen solution provider, building out an entire value chain from producing hydrogen to using it to generate power and for mobility applications. Today, as I just mentioned, Doosan is the parent company of the Bobcat, the pioneering maker of the first skid steer loaders, and many other models of compact equipment that has been field-proven for past 65 years. In fact, we have grown to become the global #1 compact equipment maker, selling more than 1 million loader units sold. Today, Doosan is Korea's #1 maker and global #4 maker of collaborative robots. We achieved this fastest worldwide growth in this industry just in 5 years. From energy to machinery, making our lives easier and more comfortable, we're proud of our achievements and accomplishments and innovations that we have achieved. But we're not here to look back. We're here with you to look forward and lean into more exciting future. That's why we came here to meet you at CES 2024. What matters most to Doosan is what matters most to you: sustainability. Like all of you, we at Doosan are committed to build more sustainable and safer future to pass on to our next generation. Today, we want to show you how we plan to make that happen through new ideas and innovative technologies. From carbon-free energy in hydrogen and nuclear power to all electric equipments, unmanned machines, AI-enabled robots. We're building a more sustainable and safer future.
Please give a warm welcome to the Vice Chairman and CEO of Doosan Bobcat, Scott Park. And also, please welcome to the stage Vice President of Global Innovation for Doosan Bobcat, Joel Honeyman.
All right. Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us today. I'm Scott Park, CEO and Vice Chairman of Doosan Bobcat.
And I'm Joel Honeyman. I'm the Vice President of Global Innovation at Doosan Bobcat.
So you just heard from my Doosan colleagues how together we're actually shaping a bright future. And now we're excited to share with you the Doosan Bobcat story. The story of how we're innovating the smart job site of the future. Today is more than just product introductions, though we'll have a few of those too.
We'll have a few surprises
Yes, we
for
will.
you. Yep.
But today is about sharing our entire approach, how it centers around challenging what's been done before, pushing limits, and leveraging technology to enable job sites of tomorrow. Just like we did 65 years ago when we started an entire industry, we are defining the future.
That's right, Scott. So let's talk about that a little bit. You know, Bobcat was founded on what? Iron and invention. You know, we got our start 65 years ago when a turkey farmer had a problem. He wanted to clean out his barn more efficiently. That solution was the world's first skid steer loader. It was invented out of iron, it was controlled by hydraulics, it was powered by an engine, and because of Bobcat, a whole industry began. And for more than 6 decades, we've been solving problems in new ways and empowering people to accomplish more. That's what we're doing.
And what's really exciting is the pace of change. What's really exciting is how quickly we're changing. Over the last few short years, we actually developed more new products, more new product categories, more new product innovations than ever before in our history. Today, Bobcat products are found in all industries all over the world. Every machine empowers the customer to solve problems in new ways. Bobcat is more than a machine. We've enhanced our lineup to work smarter by connecting and enabling equipment through software, by transitioning to electric, and by leveraging technology for greater performance and efficiency.
That's right, Scott. So what we're sharing here today is really the foundation of our innovation strategy, which centers on 3 key pillars, which you're going to hear a lot today, and that is connectivity, electrification, and autonomy. So what we want to do today is we want to talk about what each of those mean and what it means for our customers. So first off is connectivity. You know, this is the brains of the equipment. It gives operators real-time data to help them understand their machine's health, know where its location is, and manage and control their fleet from afar. And connectivity is evolving in our machines. So we're not just a tool carrier now, we're also a software carrier, and that's very important. In fact, you might be surprised to know that we have over 100,000 connected machines operating today globally in the field. And as tool carriers, our machines carry lots of attachments. As you all know, we have the widest selection in the industry, which gives us a lot of versatility. But as a software carrier, that's where our machines are differentiators. They're more precise, more advanced, and they're smarter than ever before.
So let's talk about our second piece here, our second core tenet in our innovation strategy. The widespread adoption of electrification throughout all industries has reshaped the way we think about energy and power. We asked ourselves, we said, how could we completely redesign a work machine and utilize that technology and electrification to make things cleaner, quieter, and more powerful, and perhaps even more versatile? 2 years ago, at this very show,
Right here.
we unveiled the world's first all-electric compact track loader, the Bobcat T7X. It made headlines because it challenged the status quo.
It did.
It was the first machine of its kind to be fully electric. Fully electric. That was a big deal because it eliminated all hydraulic systems. We eliminated a lot of components, emissions, vibration, and the machine actually became cleaner, quieter, and stronger. Today, I'm pleased to share that Bobcat is continuing to lead that charge. with the world's first all-electric skid steer loader, the Bobcat S7X. Let's take a look at that video.
How about that? That's an amazing machine. Yeah, that's right. That's worth an applause.
All right.
Yeah, we're just getting started. Hey, that S7X, no hydraulics. 50% fewer components, super, super quiet. And more importantly, it's more powerful than its diesel counterpart. In addition, we're proud to share at this show, at the 2024 CES show, we won 2 innovation awards for that machine right there. And you know, Bobcat's all-electric equipment, it's changing the game. And we're proving that we can not just enhance the machine's sustainability, but also its power and performance. You do not need to sacrifice one for the other. And that's very, very important. Okay, so let's talk about another pillar. Let's talk about autonomy. It's the third pillar in our strategy, and it's a huge part of what's taking place in the job sites of tomorrow. You know, autonomy helps reduce labor, streamline tasks, and maximize precision. It just, in general, makes things easier for our customer, especially new operators. You know, at Bobcat, we started looking at our product lineup and asking ourselves, what task is predictable, repetitive, and takes place within a set boundary? Well, I can tell you, I grew up on a farm. And firsthand, that task is mowing grass. So that's where we enter in the Bobcat autonomous zero-turn mower. So now landowners, municipalities, businesses, and even farms who spend lots and lots of hours mowing that grass to maintain the ball field, the acreage, and everything else, they do it in less time. And we're literally giving them more hours back in their day to do other tasks. So let's take a look and see how this is done. That was pretty simple, wasn't it? You know, in developing this product, we partnered with Greensy, a leading autonomous software company, to help us. And here's the deal. It's simple. You grab your smartphone, you plot a course, you deploy the machine autonomously. And it can even detect objects, mow around them, and simply it allows people to manage to do other tasks. That's how easy it is, right, Scott?
Yeah, and you can see how it all starts to build and connect. Our pillars of connectivity, electrification, autonomy. They all start to come together in powerful ways to advance equipment. Our vision is to push those boundaries far beyond where others thought possible. So for us, the next step was to combine all 3 pillars. And that's how our new concept machine was born. It is connected, electric, and autonomous. I think you're going to hear that about 10 more times today.
Yes, you are.
And so while we were at it, what we did was we removed the oldest staple in equipment design because it simply wasn't needed anymore. That was the cab.
No cab.
Got rid of it. Totally reimagined the equipment, changed the rules for the future work. Ladies and gentlemen, the next evolution. This is the future. This is Rogue X2.
Hey, how about that, huh? How cool is that? Yeah. We're getting outside everybody's comfort zone now, aren't we? That's right. That Rogue X2, it is all electric, no hydraulics. It's cabless. It's a cabless work machine. But more importantly, it's our proving ground to advance Bobcat and our customers further into the future. You know, through this, we're able to evaluate customers' perceptions and test the limits of machine functionality. It's a representation of the possibilities that lie ahead. And for sure, the work we're doing here is very unique, let me tell you, and boundary pushing. Through the development of our Rogue 2X, the concept loader, we have a number of new patents that even got filed that covers lots of different advancements, not just to Bobcat, but our entire industry. And these patents and the countless new ideas, they signify how we're breaking the rules, as Scott said, to create something completely new and different, more importantly, better for our customers. Because work is accomplished very, very differently with Rogue 2X. It's connected, it's electric, it's autonomous, but more importantly, it's a game changer. So Scott, when we first showed you this concept, what did you think of it?
It blew my mind. I was really excited. I said evolution. Perhaps I should have said revolution. But this is what we do. We think out of the box, we challenge the norm, and then we get there first. Rogue X2 is a clear marker of how Bobcat is shaping the future. And yet, we're not done.
No, we're not done yet.
There's more. This time, let's go back to our roots in agriculture. You remember, Bobcat started 65 years ago solving a farmer's problem. So this time, we went to the orchards and vineyards. This time, we did it a little bit differently than what we did 65 years ago. What did we do? We went through connectivity, electrification, and autonomy.
Yep.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time, we give you the all-new Bobcat articulated tractor, the AT450X, enabled by Autonomy.
There's another wow, isn't there? Yeah, let's hear it. That's right. That AT450X, that's a solution made possible through our partnership with Autonomy, a leading ag tech software company. And that AT450X is truly a software carrier, like we've been talking about, because it's loaded with tech, not just in the machine, but with software. And it's a powerful combination for specialty farming and other types of applications. And there it is again, say it with me, it's connected, it's electric, and it's autonomous, which means we can program it to tackle a wide range of tasks, including mowing and spraying and weeding and other labor-intensive activities. So this solution is really going to be a game changer for the agricultural industry. Okay, Scott, we shared with our audience here 4 really cool concepts that make our iron a lot smarter, does a lot of different things. So what does this mean for our industry and for our future?
Well, I mean, what it means is that Bobcat is continuing to empower customers even more than ever to accomplish more. We're always empowering customers to accomplish more.
Yes, we are.
We continue to innovate for our customers and for the future of work. But this is only the beginning. This is only the beginning of the smart job site. We launched an entire industry 65 years ago. Today, we're revolutionizing that industry, making iron smarter, more sustainable, and connected. And what's more important, it's all real.
It's real.
Everything I shared with you today is real. Everything I shared with you today is at our booth. Real concepts coming to life in real products and showing up in a job site near you. Bobcat is turning innovative ideas and thinking into everyday reality. We continue to grow and advance, and we apply new capabilities and technologies, such as artificial intelligence,
robotics,
radars,
sensors,
and so much more. That's the future of the smart job site. Bobcat is the innovator. Bobcat is the game changer. We never stop, we never rest, we constantly evolve. We challenge old thinking, and we always empower people to accomplish more. Bobcat is the future. Bobcat is the one to watch.
damn right we are.
That's right. We are Bobcat, a proud member of the Doosan Group. Thank you for joining us today. And let me hand it over to Do-won Kim, who will close up the Doosan Group session. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, so today we introduced Doosan's technology that we think can actually change the world with real solutions. Our vision and passion are to create a better future for humanity. Doosan's hydrogen and small modular reactor technologies are drawing a blueprint for future of humanity and the planet. These technologies produce clean energy, protect the earth, and improve society. Our collaborative robots and the Bobcat's autonomy and electrification technologies point to a future where humans and machines work together. These technologies make our daily lives easy and safe and bring revolutionary changes. This is the technology that Doosan is currently preparing for our next generation, and this is the legacy that we want to share with the world. Over the next several days at CES, we'll demonstrate how we truly are building a more sustainable and safer future. It is our way of humbly saying to the world, please join us on this journey to the future. To learn more, come visit us at our booth in the West Hall. Thank you.